Hey guys, it's Tara and welcome back to another video and another super delicious Instant Pot recipe. Last week, we brought our Instant Pot on vacation and did some cabin cooking. We made a beef stroganoff. I'll link it in the description box below in case you missed that episode, so you can check it out if you'd like after this one. But today, we're making a pork and pasta with a tomato cream sauce. Super easy, super delicious, and you guys are gonna absolutely love it. Before we get started, if you have not already, I would love for you to be a part of this community. You do that by hitting the red subscribe button that's right below this video. We're gonna continue this cabin cooking next week also. You do not wanna miss this episode. Be sure to click the bell icon, that way you're notified each time I post a new video. If you guys are ready to make this super delicious pork and pasta, smash that like button and let's jump right into the video.
We're gonna start with our pork cutlets. So I have these cutlets, I'm just trimming off the fat. If they had a bone in it, of course, you could just take them off the bone. Then I'm gonna slice it and dice it into bite-sized chunks, just like this. Then I'm gonna set this aside and get started with our garlic. I love to smash the garlic down. It just makes it really easy to take it out of the skins. And again, I'm just chopping it up. Setting it aside. And of course, I'm pouring myself a dry red wine. Why not? Again, vacation. We're gonna set our Instant Pot to saute on high, add a drizzle of olive oil, let it heat up, and then add our pork. I'm adding some onion powder, garlic powder, stir everything around, a little bit of salt and pepper. We're only looking to brown this, we're not looking to cook it. I'm adding a splash of water so it doesn't burn, and then the garlic. And then I'm gonna add some garlic bouillon.
I'm using garlic bouillon. I absolutely love garlic bouillon because it adds so much flavor and it's just an easy step, especially if you don't have all of the ingredients you would normally have because you're on vacation. You can swap in veggie bouillon, beef bouillon, chicken bouillon, anything else that you have, and it will still be delicious.
And then just keep stirring so nothing burns. This delicious dry red. I'm gonna add some to this dish. Using your spoon, deglaze the bottom of the pot. Grab our pasta.
I'm using just regular ziti for this recipe. If you're gluten-free, feel free to swap in any other type of pasta that you love. But as we talked about last week, take the shortest amount of time that's on the box to cook, divide it in half and subtract 1. So if it's a 10-minute cook time, it would be 5 minus 1, which equals 4, and then you set your Instant Pot for 4 minutes. Easy way so that you always get perfectly cooked pasta.
This recipe is so simple because you just pour the pasta right on, and then I'm adding the rest of this bottle of water. Then we're gonna grab our cans of sauce. I'm pouring it right on top. Grab the other one. Then we're gonna add some bay leaves. Bay leaves add such a delicious flavor. Add some dried parsley, dried basil, some onion powder, some salt, some fresh cracked pepper.
We have layered things inside of the Instant Pot in the best way to prevent the dreaded burn signal. So at this point, do not stir. We're just kind of moving it around on top just to get everything kind of mixed on the top. And that's all you need to do.
There, that's just about right. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of tomato paste. I didn't want to add this earlier because I did not want it to burn on the bottom of the pot, so I'm adding it right on top. Then we're gonna grab our lid, make sure the silicone ring is on, set it to high pressure for 3 minutes. We're gonna allow 5 minutes of natural pressure. Perform a quick release. When the pin drops, we're going to open the lid to our perfectly cooked pasta. Remove the bay leaves. Now it's time to bring the rest of this dish together. I'm adding some half and half.
What I love about this recipe is that you can adjust the level of creaminess for the dish for your preference. I decided to add a little bit more half and half. I love how rich and decadent this is, especially while cabin cooking, but you make it as creamy as you like.
You could add some grated cheese to this. I did not have my cheese grater, so instead, I sliced some pecorino romano right on top with some fresh parsley. So delicious.
I hope you enjoyed today's video and that you have a chance to try it. Let me know any recipe ideas you have for a future episode in the comments below. I'm gonna leave a playlist of some delicious, easy recipes on the screen over here if you'd like to check that out. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.